Now we'll be moving on to the question answers of this chapter. Let's move on. So the first question is, did the front wheel really wobble? What is your opinion? Give a reason for your answer. So what happened? The front wheel did not wobble initially, but after the author's friend did something with the machinery, it started wobbling after that. So the next question is, in what condition did the author find the bicycle when he returned from the tool shed? So what happened is, author के friend ने उसको अंदर भेजा था tool kit लाने के लिए, but when he comes back from the tool shed, he sees that already जो tire था उसकी legs के between था. So the tire was already, the front wheel was already in between his legs, and he was actually playing with that tire, and the remnant of the bicycle was behind it, like on the path. Okay, so the third question is, nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. Comment on or continue this sentence in the light of what actually happens. So yes, nothing is easier than taking off the gear case. This was the statement of author's friend. उसने कहा it's very easy, whereas the author was telling that it's not very easy to take off the gear case. Whenever you take off the gear case, the machinery becomes very expensive and it's hard to get it repaired. So instead of getting into the gear case, it's better advised to buy a new machinery. So it was totally opposite to what the author was saying and his friend did. So he basically opened the gear case, and later on, in less than 5 minutes, he broke the gear case into 2 pieces in less than 5 minutes. That's what happened in the text. Okay, so the next question is, what special treatment did the chain receive? So what happened to the chain? Initially the chain was perfectly fine जब तक उसके friend ने कुछ नहीं किया था, but after that the chain was too much tightened by his friend that it did not move. But when his friend loosened the chain, then it became twice as loose as it was before. Okay, so the next question is, now the friend has 2 qualities. The author's friend has 2 qualities. He knows what he's doing and is absolutely sure it is good. Find the 2 phrases in the text which mean the same. So the 2 phrases in the text are cheery confidence and inexplicable hopefulness are the 2 phrases that we find in the text that show that his friend had these 2 qualities. So I hope that these question answers and the text is clear to you guys. We'll be meeting in our next video with the next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.